Good morning, student. It's saying representing numbers with coins. We have a question from the teacher saying represent $3.32 on the paper. So I have in my mind $3.32. I can go for here. I can say if it's $3, I can take $1. I repeat it 3 times, so this is $3. And after that I need 32 cents. I have dimes. I can bring the dimes here and I say 30 means 3 dimes, 10 and 10 and 10. And after that it's saying 32. I have 1 cent here and another cent here. So if I take a picture of this, I can say to the teacher, I did it already. This is how I can represent for you what the meaning of $3.32, and I can write even to make it sure that the teacher can understand that this is $1, this is another dollar, and this is another dollar. That means $3. And here this is 10 cents, 10 cents and 10 cents. That means 30, and 1 cent and 1 cent for the 2. Another student will say, no, I have another idea. I can represent it with a different idea. $3.32, I can represent it with this way. 1 loonies for $2 and $1, this is $3. And after that, the 32, I can bring 1 quarter, which means 25. I add 5 to it, so 25 and 5, 30. And after that, the 2 cents. And here we go. This is another shape how we can present with different way the same amount of money. So this student will say, I have something different but the same total. So this is $2 and this is $1. That means $3. 32 means 25 cents and 5 cents. This is the 30, and this is 1 cent and 1 cent for the 2 cents. So this is another presentation. Another student will say, no, I have another idea. So let's see what is the idea of the other student. He will say what? I'm gonna take the toonies, and this loonies I'm gonna replace it by 4 25 cents. Wow. Yes. So that means 2 and $1 is represented on 4.25. So this is $3. And after that, the 32, I'm gonna say 1 dime and 1 dime. This is 20 cents. And I'm gonna say another 10, 5 and 5. That means 30, and after that the 2 cents. Whoa. So it's totally different than his friends. He did something totally different, but it has the same value, $3.32. So if I want to bring it here, oops, maybe I can push this one here and bring this picture here. Here we go. So how the student work? He said, this is $2, and I know very well the 4 quarters here, 25, 25, 25, 25 cents means $1. So this is, it has a value. This is 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, and 25 cents. This is, has a value of $1, $1 and $2. This is a $3. And after that, 10 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and 5 cents. This is 10 and 10, 20, 20 and 5, 25, and 5, 30, and 2 cents. So that means I have 3 different style, but all of them, it give me the same thing, $3.32. And here we go. This is another example. 3 loonies, 3 dimes, and 2 pennies. Or 2 loonies and 13 dimes and 2 pennies, something that we didn't do it here even. 3 loonies, 2 dimes, and 12 pennies. Can you see? You can put the 2 dimes for 20 and 12 pennies. That means what? That means this one, I finished the 3 loonies, the $3. 2 dimes, that means 20 cents. And 12 pennies. I know that 12 means 10 cents plus 2 cents. So that 10 with the 20, it will give me 32. So I have $3.32. What about the second one? I have 2 loonies for $2. 13 dimes, oh, 13 dimes. I know 10 dimes, it give me $1. Wow. So I can say that means 10 cents times 10 is going to give me 100 cents, which means $1. After that, 3 dimes, which means 30 cents. And after that, the 2 pennies. So if I add all together, the 100 cents means $1, $1 and 2, it's $3.32. The same thing. So how many style? I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and who knows, maybe there is more and more and more. So this is how we can represent the number with coins. We could be different than my friends beside me, but we have the same value. So I hope that you understood. Now let's practice with some examples.